see all kinds of good things. Can you give his face?
Yeah.
So interesting. We love the book about keys.
Eli, is that your first favorite book?
It's the drama, the suspense. Who done it? We don't know. We'll get to the end.
Which key do you choose?
Show us, point to it. Is it that one? Do you like that one? Yes! Oh, wow. Ooh.